In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enter referral codes on Temu. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to use a referral code on Temu, you must first open up the Temu app. From here, we can look at the bottom of the app, and we're just going to click on this U tab, which will take us to this page. Now, as you can see, I am logged into my account. However, if it's your first time entering a referral code, you actually want to do this while you are logged out. But the reason I'm logged in is so that I can access my affiliate page and so that I can get my link. So as you can see, I'm on the affiliate program and I can scroll down to find my referral code. So I'm just going to click that to copy my referral code. But how do we actually go about entering it on Temu? So in order to enter our code, we must first head to the home page and we can look for this search bar at the top of the screen. From there, we can click on it. And if we click in the search bar, we'll be able to click paste, which will allow us to paste our referral code. So from here, we can simply search for it, and we get redirected to this page. So if someone entered your code using this method, in order for it to count as a referral, they will have to click sign in to earn, and they will just have to log into their account or create a new account. So that's how you can enter a referral code on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.